I've been using this mic right here, the Blue Snowball mic in black, for over 1.5 years. It's been through late night gaming, long Discord calls, content creation such as multiple of my YouTube videos, and today I'm giving you the real truth. Is it still worth buying in 2025? Unbiased, let's talk about it. When I first started making videos, I needed something that sounded way better than my headset mic, but without breaking the bank. That's when I found the Blue Snowball mic for under $70. It promised plug and play quality and no extra gear necessary. For most people, especially gamers, streamers, or new creators, the sound is actually solid. It doesn't have crazy pro features, but for voiceovers, game chat, and YouTube intros, it sounds clean. For the sound test, now what you're hearing right now is your everyday headset microphone or webcam mic. Now, in just a moment, we're going to switch right over to using the Blue Snowball mic. Here's a sound test for you. And this is the Blue Snowball mic. Now, obviously, you can hear the significant sound difference and how much better it sounds than all the other ones. And yeah. The design is simple and honestly kind of iconic. It's got this cool retro vibe to it, and the black version fits clean into any setup. It's got a sturdy build and it sits nice on the desk stand, but I highly recommend getting a boom arm to reduce vibration and desk noise. When you get a boom arm, it'll typically hang more down like this with just the snowball piece because this part does detach. It'll hang down a little like this, and you won't have to worry about it picking up keyboard noise. You don't hear noise in mine because I use filters, echo reduction, noise cancellation, a lot of things to prevent that from happening. But overall, it's a very great mic for the price. Now here's what I don't love. The mic has no mute button or gain knob, and the pickup pattern switch is kind of useless if you only use cardioid mode. Also, the cable's kind of chunky and I guess you could say outdated. Overall, if you're just starting out and want a decent mic for gaming, streaming, or Zoom/work calls, the Blue Snowball mic still holds up in 2025. It's not the best mic ever made, but for the price, it punches way above its weight. If you're looking for something simple that just works and still sounds 10 times better than any built-in mic, this might still be the one. If you're using a Snowball 2 in 2025, drop a comment, like the video, or if you're looking to upgrade. Should I review the Blue Yeti next? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know.